For those who say everything is done, I say buckle your seatbelt because future is about to begin. These were the words that came out from DJ Ko, and boy was he right. Samsung Galaxy Fold is bringing a new era. It's time to enter the future and take a look at what Samsung has just done at this monumental event. And yeah, they also announced the Galaxy S10 family that we already know everything about. We saw the trailer and everything, so I'll be making a separate video on that. But this is special. Samsung Galaxy Fold is everything that we expected. I'm really surprised that I was actually really close to what the official thing is. I mean, I was saying that it's going to be a 7.3-inch display that can fold into a 4.6-inch small phone. Even though there was a trailer leak that showed a bit of a different product, but still, I knew that Samsung wants to make a meaningful product, a tablet/phone hybrid that can transform to either world easily. So in the unfolded state, we have a 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display, and when it is closed, it turns into a 4.6-inch phone, which is also named as 4.6-inch cover display. And it's not just a foldable phone. Samsung really worked hard on this and make this an incredible overall specs beast. This thing actually packs total of 6 cameras. No matter which side you open, this will always have a camera. So towards the back, we've got a triple rear camera setup, which is coming with a wide, ultra wide angle and telephoto lens. On the front, you get dual front camera setup, which is again 10 megapixel along with the depth sensor similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus. And then there is a single cover camera as well. No matter which side it is, you always get a camera sensor, which is amazing. So a total of 6 cameras, and then internally it rocks a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chip with 7nm process, so you get the latest performance on par with the other phones, and then 12 gigs of RAM with 512 gigs of internal storage, which is UFS 3.0 storage with the fastest read and write speeds. It's almost like this supercomputer. I mean, this thing is packing so much power. And then of course, to drive all that power, we have dual battery system that's coming with a size of 4380 mAh. The 7.3-inch display looks pretty bezel-less. Of course, it's going to be the highest quality as well. But of course, the front cameras, as you can see, they do take some space up on the display. So it's almost like a notch. So yeah, I mean, this is definitely not using the whole camera setup. So for that, they had to go with a bezel for those dual camera up front. And in the cover display mode, it looks really good, really small, really handy. And then towards the back, it has a nice shiny gloss look, and it will be available in different colors as well. So something that we talked about before, which is the amazing software experience that is coming with this Galaxy Fold phone. So it has a special Android UI built with collaboration with Google to optimize applications like WhatsApp, YouTube. You get the best experience, and because of this big 7.3-inch display and 12 gigs of RAM, you will be able to use 3 applications at once on one screen, which is absolutely incredible. It is the truest form of multitasking that can happen on this portable device. They also built the software in a way that it has a seamless multi-screen experience thanks to app continuity. So if you're using an application on the small display, let's say Maps application, and you go into the tablet mode, it immediately opens up the map in the bigger display. Like app seamless connectivity is there thanks to superb optimization with Google, and I believe this is something that will happen on other foldable phones as well, because Google is taking this very seriously, as we have seen before. So super exciting product. I mean, this has to be the best foldable phone right now that actually provides some value, which is converting from a phone to a tablet. I mean, we have seen some of the foldable stuff before, but this definitely provides the true value, transforming a big tablet into a phone. They also revealed the pricing for the Galaxy Fold, and we expected that it could be around $2,500, but it's actually not that much, but still it is a lot expensive, coming at $1,980, which is almost $2,000. So definitely not focused towards everyone, so that's why they announced it in the start of the event. It will be launched worldwide in limited numbers, and it's only for them who are really interested and for those who actually actually have money for this product. And for most people, again, it's not marketed towards. For that, you have your Galaxy S10 family. So I'll be making a 10 feature video soon. But this is all we have on the Galaxy Fold. This is indeed the beginning of a new era. We are entering the future. I am super excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.